Hope you are doing well. Welcome to my channel. If you don't have piano and you want to play it, so don't get worried. Without buying it, you can play it just using your mobile. So how to do it, I will be telling you in this video. So I am talking about an app known as Perfect Piano. I'll tell you how to use it. So let's begin. First you need to download the app from Play Store. Go to Play Store, search Perfect Piano and you need to install it. After it is downloaded, you need to open it. It will show you like this. It will ask you a permission. You need to allow it. And this is the look of the app. After you open the app, there are many options here. You can choose one of them. Like Learn to Play, where you can learn. Keyboard, here you can play the whatever song you have learned, and many other options like multiplayer game, multiplayer connect, piano circle, recording manager. But today in this video I'll be teaching you about this option keyboard, how to use it. So first you need to click on it and this is the interface what you see. I'll tell you about every one option how to use it. So here comes our first option, which is this. If you click on this, this is used to change the tone of your piano, like acoustic, bright, music box, organ, rods, etc. So you can choose it. I mostly keep on bright. It's your wish. On to our next option, which is this. This is used to control the echoing of your key. Now if you click on it, it will show blue color like this. So when you play the keys, it will be echoing. So our next option is this. This is used to change the mode of your piano. If you click on it, there are 4 modes: chords mode, single row mode, dual row mode, 2-player mode. So on default, it will be on single row mode. Our next option is this. This is used to display the keys. So if you click on it, you can choose the label on your keys. There are display C4, D4 on keys, display do, RE on keys, or disable. You can choose it. The top right corner we have a last button. So this dashboard. Here there are many settings. Visible keys 11. You can choose the visibility of your keys. You can choose the reverb, sustain control. If you want to vibrate or not. Keyboard lock you can choose. Next is this records list. Here there are all your records. Next is your settings. You can choose the settings. So the left side we have 3 buttons. The first button is used to go back. Next second button is used for the countings. And third button is used to record, which is red color. You can record your songs. Whatever you play on keyboard, you can record from this red button. To record, click on the red button. Now here you will get 3 options. So from these 3 options you have to choose which type of recording you want to do, Midi, mic or multi-track. So mostly Midi is the best option which you can choose. And after you click, you need to play something on the piano. And after you have finished it, you need to click on the red button up given. After you have clicked, it will ask you the file name. You can write anything. So now I am writing here piano and just click on OK, it will be saved. Now from where you have to see, click on the dashboard and there will be records list. If you click there, you will get all the recordings list. So which type of recording you have done, in that type of recording you have to click. As we did Midi, so we'll click on Midi and now we'll go down and search for our name piano as we saved with it. We got it. If you click on it, the Midi will be played. Now to stop the Midi, you need to click on the left corner red color button to stop it. It will get stopped. Now if you see down, you will get some buttons like this. What is the use of these buttons? I'll tell you now. Now you can see this button. This button is used to move left side of your keyboard. If you once click, it will go slowly. How many times you click, it will move to left side of your keyboard. But if you click this one, it will move 1 octave. It will move fastly to your left side of your keyboard. Now to move right side, if you see right side, you will get the same options. If you click on this small one, the first one, it will go slowly, and the second one, if you click, it will move fastly to the right side. You can also change the place of your keyboard. By this option, you have to move it. You have to slide it wherever you want. Like this. Now you have learnt all the basics of this keyboard option. Now you can play any song. As I have been taught you happy birthday song, so you can play it here. You can also record it and listen, and you can share it with anybody.